Hello all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make Himachali Siddu. शांत शांत शांत
रही हो
नहीं मतलब मैं फिर से बोलूँगी बट ये ठीक था ना? उधर देखो. In case of wondering what am I wearing, this is the Himachali topi. And Himachal is the state from where my husband Ashish belongs. It is one of the most beautiful states of India, one of my favorites, and now I feel so lucky to call it my home as well. Whenever you think of Himachal, you're directly transported to the amazing, beautiful mountains. But have you ever wondered what the food of Himachal tastes like? So after I got married last year, I visited Himachal Pradesh multiple times and I got the chance to eat so many yummy pahadi dishes. They are so unique and flavorful. Like I have not eaten such food in any other parts of India. It is amazing. I keep saying that I love cooking, but I realized I've never cooked a Himachali dish before. So today I decided why not make one. So I'm going to make Himachali Siddu. So Siddu is a dish which is made up of wheat flour and it is stuffed with various kinds of fillings and it is steamed. So it is very healthy and also quite easy to make. So let's begin. To prepare the filling for the Siddu, I'll be using urad dal. This is the urad dal without skin. I've already washed it 2-3 times thoroughly with water and now I will soak it in water and keep it aside for 2 hours. To prepare the dough for the Siddu, I have taken 2 cups of wheat flour in a bowl. To this I will add some dry yeast. This is 7 grams of dry yeast. Then I'll add a pinch of salt. I will also add 2 tablespoons of ghee. And I will use some water to knead the dough. A very important point to note is that you have to use yeast in Siddu. Without that you cannot prepare it. It is important, you cannot skip it. So my dough is very smooth now and it's ready. I will keep it covered for 2 hours. After 2 hours, the dal is completely soaked and now I will coarsely grind it in a mixie. And you need to make sure that you do not use any water because I just need to coarsely grind it. So let's start it. Let's add the dal in the mixie. Now the next step is to add some spices to it. I will add some turmeric, a teaspoon of coriander powder, some chili powder. I like it more spicy, so I am adding red chili powder as well as some green chilies to it. And I will also add some ginger. Then I will add some salt to taste. And finally, some freshly chopped coriander. And I will mix it well. Siddu is traditionally eaten with desi ghee, but you can also enjoy it with some chutney. So today I decided to make a very simple mint chutney. So let's start it. So after 2 hours, my dough is also ready. It is risen. So I will take it out of the bowl and keep it in the bowl. So after kneading it for some time, I am dividing into 2 parts. I will take a single part. I will smooth it out even more. And using a rolling pin, I will just roll it a bit, and it has to be a little thick, not very thin, so that I can put my stuffing inside properly. Now it is rolled nicely, so I will add the urad dal stuffing in it. Just place it in the center. And now the important step is to cover this in half circle and press it from here. So now this is a complete siddu, but you can make the edges more prettier by adding some design. So I have not tried it, so let's see how it goes. It started nicely, but in between it is a little bad, but it's okay. So my siddu is ready. I will make the other one now. वाओ, बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा कर दिया। क्या बात है। Thank you. Okay, this will look very funny, but I am using whatever I have. So this is the wok, and this is a Chinese steamer which I have. So I'll place the siddu in the Chinese steamer and keep it in the wok. I have used this for steaming the dumplings and also for idli, dhokla. It works perfectly. So why not for siddu? I'll place the siddu carefully. Place it in the this. See, can you see how nicely the steam is getting created? I will close it, and now I need to wait for 20 minutes for it to get steamed completely. हेलो, नमस्ते पापा जी। नमस्ते पे। हेलो शालू।
कपेरा स्वामी।
हमने सिड्डू बनाया है आज पहली बार। तो हमने सोचा आपको दिखा देते हैं।
आपने एक्सपर्ट हो कि हमने बनाए नहीं और आपने बना भी लिए।
वही आपने भी बनाना चाहिए।
वाओ, ये क्या घी डाल रहे हो?
हाँ, तो ऐसे तो खाते हैं घी डाल के।
हाँ, आपको बड़ा नॉलेज हो गया है।
आवाज आ गई। हाँ, आप भी बनाओ।
मैंने तो आपसे तक कभी सिड्डू बनाए नहीं।
मुझे लगा बनाए।
पर जैसे
ये वाले
काफी अच्छे बने हैं, जैसे मतलब चाची जी बनाते हैं ना, सेम वैसा ही है टेस्ट।
दिल भी कर रहा है बनाने को।
बस ये कि स्टफ्ड है,
बाकी कुछ डिफरेंस नहीं है।
ये वाला घी वाला है।
हाँ
अच्छा
वाओ
बड़ा स्वाद है।
चलो अगले टाइम साथ में खाएंगे।
लग रहे हैं, देख रहे हो बड़े प्यारे लग रहे हैं।
थैंक
अब
यू
जब आओगी ना यहाँ पे तो बना के खिला दो।
जी, पक्का।
पक्का। पर मेरी चटनी